Imagine a maintenance technician preparing to service a piece of equipment. The machine has been locked out, tagged out, and documented according to procedure. But one question remains: does everyone nearby know it's safe? And does the safety team have confidence that hazardous energy has truly been isolated? That's the problem HEAN was designed to solve. HEAN, the Hazardous Energy Awareness Network, transforms traditional lockout-tagout from a manual process into a connected, real-time worker protection system. Powered by BleedIO's netMESH technology, HEAN connects hazardous energy sources, lockout devices, workers, sensors, and safety managers into a single safety network. The platform continuously monitors energy conditions, verifies lockout status, and instantly communicates hazards to the people who need to know. If a worker approaches an energized asset, HEAN can provide immediate alerts. If an unexpected energy discharge occurs, supervisors receive real-time notification. If a lockout condition changes, everyone affected can be informed instantly. Unlike traditional systems that rely on paper records, visual inspections, or fixed communications infrastructure, HEAN uses resilient mesh networking to maintain awareness across large industrial facilities, remote operations, and critical infrastructure environments. The result is greater visibility, stronger compliance, improved communication, and most importantly, better protection for workers. At BleedIO, we believe every worker deserves to go home safely. HEAN helps make that possible by turning hazardous energy control into a connected, intelligent safety ecosystem. HEAN, detect, secure, communicate.